Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan Copeland, Product Manager here at Outbuild. Today, I'm really excited to walk you through something we've been working really hard on, a complete redesign of the Lookahead. This wasn't just a facelift, we went back to the drawing board on almost every interaction, and it all started off with the feedback from you, the people who use this every day in the field. So let's dive in. First up, we have the new View Modes. View Modes has two options. We have TV mode, which is built for the field. Big, clear, easy to read screens on the trailer or the job site office. No clutter, just the Gantt chart and information you need in front of you to see your project at a high level glance. Next, we have Focus Mode. Focus Mode is when you need to zoom in on a specific work week. This allows you to see what work needs to be done this week, what week was done the week before, and what work am I leading into in the next week. Super easy to use, just one click to switch between the two views. Now, let's dive into the next feature. The Actions buttons has been moved from a dedicated column to hover on the task name. This saves some space on the screen and allows you to easily add roadblocks, delete tasks, add subtasks, or add new tasks to the activity. Next, we have the ability to preview and SIRs and roadblocks. You'll notice here on my screen that I have rows colored in orange for rows that have roadblocks. This is actually customizable by going to the styles option and turning off the row background or on for roadblocks. This allows you to easily see at a high level what tasks are blocked. You can then click on the roadblock icon where you can then see what are the roadblocks associated with this task. But here I have a safety stop work roadblock that is currently open. By clicking on it, I can now see a preview of that roadblock. Similar for SIRs, we can see that this activity currently has a pending schedule impact request, and I can click on this icon to see the details of the scheduling impact request. As I showed earlier, we have the Styles menu with further options to customize your Lookahead. You can show the critical path. Here we can see activities that are highlighted in red are on our critical path from our master schedule, giving you the information you need to make decisions out in the field to ensure that you're delivering work on time. You have the ability to customize your chart view by hiding the markers for this week and today. You also have the ability to hide grid lines if you want a more visual Gantt chart, as well as more options to explore. These are just some of the highlights. In total, we shipped over 100 new improvements to the Lookahead, everything from performance to polish. We built this all for you, and we're just getting started. Log in, check it out, and thanks for watching.